NC fam, I tried foam on my daughter's hair for the first time to set her braid out, and boy was I shook. The results were soft, fluffy, defined with a soft hold. It was absolutely amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I achieved these results. Hey NC fam, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair that has been thoroughly detangled. Also, I've already applied a leave-in conditioner to her hair while she was in the shower, and now I'm just unraveling her twist. As you all know, I love to wash my daughter's hair in twists and also deep condition her hair in twists. So her hair was in twists already, and I'm just taking out the twist, and then I'm going to apply the showstopper. I'm going to apply the foam to her hair once I've finished taking out the twists. So as you can see, I'm applying the foam to her hair. I'm applying it to the base first. I really want to get the base coated, and then I work my way down, smoothing it on her hair. This way her strands are coated well with the foam. One thing I enjoy most about this foam is that it's very buildable. I use as much as I need and it doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of product on her hair. It's just really nice. So you can see that I'm applying a bit more of the foam to her hair, particularly around the base. I want the base to be really smooth, and I also apply it to the full length of her hair as well. I'm doing this so that it's smooth, there's less frizz, and it really works into all of her strands. I'm also smoothing the product into her hair with my fingers in a raking motion, and I do this, remember her hair has been fully detangled, so it's very easy for me to rake my fingers through her hair, and this also helps me to get an even spread of the foam throughout her strands. This also helps to give that defined look, that smooth look, and less frizz as well. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to plait her hair. As you may have noticed, I haven't used any grease, any butters or oils, and the main reason for this is because when you're using a foam, there really isn't any need to add any butters, oils or grease. The great thing about foam is that it's so great at setting a particular style. So in this case, setting her braid out, it does a great set on the hair. So when I unravel her plaits, which you'll see shortly, you will see it's been set quite well. Now, the other reason why I haven't used any butters, oils or grease is because of the ingredients. Now, in this particular foam, it has aloe vera gel, and if you know anything about aloe vera gel, it's a plant-based gel which basically creates a gel-like film on the strands that helps to slow down the evaporation of water or moisture from the hair. Okay, mamas, before I let you enjoy the rest of this video in peace, if you are struggling with dryness when it comes to your little one's hair and you're looking for another way of, moisturizing your little one's hair on wash day outside of this particular method for setting a style, possibly try the LCO method. That's another method, an alternative method that I like to use on my children's hair on wash day. Now, if you're confused about that, don't know what that is, just click the link below this video and download your free guide and just check it out. One other reason why I really enjoy using foam on my daughter's hair is how fast it dries. It dries really fast, especially if you're using a dryer to set the style. It dries really fast. On this particular occasion, I didn't use a dryer. I just let it air dry, and even air drying, it dried really fast. Okay, so I'm done plaiting her hair. She ended up with about 12 plaits. Now these plaits are going to stay in for 7 days. So for the whole week, she's going to go to school. She's going to play about with her brother. She's probably going to end up on the floor and all of that. There you go. A week later, here we are. So right now I'm going to unravel her plaits. I've applied a bit of grease to my palms just to help with frizz, and I'm going to unravel it, and then I am going to fluff it out. So before doing anything else, I just like to unravel everything. Once I've unraveled everything, I now work on separating it even further, which is going to give that fluffy, voluminous look to her braid out. So once I have separated enough to my desire, I then fluff out her roots just to kind of hide the parts. I just like to use my finger, shake it a bit, use my fingers to kind of lift the roots. This gives her hair more volume and also covers the parts as well. Now, NC fam, tell me this doesn't look nice. Now, just look how good her hair looks. Now, trust me, it's not even doing it justice, this video. You should feel how her hair feels. It feels lovely, it feels soft, it feels fluffy. Just look at it. It's nice, right? Comment below and let me know your thoughts. It really feels good, really feels good. I was so impressed with this foam for hair, and I'll definitely be using it again. So depending on the style or the look I want for my daughter's hair will depend on what I use to set or style her hair. So on this occasion I used a foam. I could use the LCO method, for example. It just really depends on what look I'm going for. But if you enjoyed this video, check out the video on the bottom left hand corner for how I set her hair using the LCO method on wash day. See you next one, guys. Take care. Bye.